Oh, what's going on? It's me, Levi. I'm back here with another adventure. Today, we are in the mountains, but today we are exploring Mount Mitchell and the Black Mountains, which are the tallest mountains east of the Mississippi River. I have yet to do a video out here. I'm pretty excited to do that. And then after, we're gonna go into Black Mountain, the town, which is apparently the most beautiful small town in America, so people say. I'm not alone. I have some people with me. I have more than normal. First, we have my mom, right there, my sister here. And then we have my stepdad right here. And of course, we have my brother, Caden.
Huh?
Oh, Caden, over here. All right, now everybody's here. We're gonna go check out this mountain.
See you later.
So we're going to go to the summit and check it out. There's like a little viewing platform up there. Typically it's really crowded, but I mean, once you're at Mount Mitchell, you gotta go to the summit, right? So we're gonna go check that out. Supposedly there's good views up there, so. First impressions, the summit trail is like 300 yards of paved road. It's really easy to go to the top if that's all you want to do here. You basically can just drive to the summit. You don't have to be in shape to hike up here. All right, guys, here it is. Well, this is the summit, of course, and then you can go up there. We'll go up there. That's where the views are. You get, I think, 360-degree views, so. A nice little paved walkway up to the top here. All right, if you see right here, this is where we're hiking, Mount Craig. It's that peak right there. We're gonna go hike to that summit next. Never been there, and I don't really know if there's views, but we're gonna go see. The views here though are pretty good, but it's really foggy. I think because of the pollen or something, I don't know. Pretty cool. Stand up here, and you got the views out that way to the other peaks. All right, we're gonna go back down here because there's like a little off trail that goes back to the parking lot, and it's a nature trail, so it goes through this spruce fir. That's what these trees are all up on here. These are spruce fir trees.
They smell so good.
They do smell really good. It smells like Christmas up
Yeah.
here. But we're gonna go walk down this nature trail. The summit's cool, but there's definitely better things to do in the park, better places to see. If you want like somewhere secluded with less people, the summit's not it. There's so many people, you know. Here it is, the Balsam Nature Trail. Yo, she's up there. What the heck? Caden's been over there trying to climb that forever. Shine just walks up there. Let's go up here. Oh, snap. Hey.
Hey. My humble abode.
Yeah, this forest is so cool. You really do feel like you're like in an enchanted forest when you're up here. This is one of the reasons I would come back to Mount Mitchell, is just the pristine spruce fir forests. Because it's like,
mention, the ground is so soft you could sleep on it.
yeah, there's so much loam from all the needles. It's pretty. Yo, we just freaking found a freaking wooden hut, dude. It was like a teepee. I'm not in my hiking shoes. I gotta be careful. Yo, what the heck is this? Somebody like bushcrafting up here. What the heck? That's nice though.
That's nice, though.
Paid 1.36 for this house.
1.36 is all.
Hey.
3.6.
We all fit.
sticks.
Yo,
What is going on right now?
dude, that's so bizarre.
We have shelter.
Dude, you just put a tarp over this. Levi was trying to build one of these when I was younger and actually almost cut his finger off.
Yeah,
He
dude.
now has a scar on
If
his
it'll
finger.
focus. Look at my scar. I was trying to be all bushcrafty Bear Grylls over here.
And he just thought he
just
could
chopped.
He thought he could hold a piece of wood at the same time as cutting where his finger's at. That didn't work out.
I tried to make one of those like things where you do this.
The fire.
The fire things. It didn't work.
We used to.
Dude, what is up with your bad barrel today, dude?
We eat all the dang Mexican food when we get done with these hikes and stuff, dude. It blows me up.
Rock. I think it's so funny how packed the summit is of people, but yet I haven't seen a single person on this little trail. So if you guys ever come to Mount Mitchell, definitely, if you're going to the summit, come through the nature trail to the summit. This is the best way to the summit. I mean, like, it's easier to walk up that like paved path and it's shorter, but like you're secluded, there's not anybody on this, and it's absolutely beautiful. It, like, the camera can't really capture how magical this place is, but it's beautiful. And it's super scenic, super secluded, and peaceful, and beautiful, and majestic, and magic, and all those things. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you're coming to the summit of Mount Mitchell, take the nature trail to the top. We got these chips at the bottom of the mountain, and then like coming up here, the elevation is made like super puffy.
You don't got a wire in.
This is pretty nice. They do have like a little section with a bunch of picnic tables and stuff. We were eating over there. They have these like cabin things. Sit out, enjoy the view. And they do have trash cans. I mean, they have grill thingies if you want to use them. And the parking lot is right there. So that's pretty convenient. The weather today is absolutely amazing. It's like 63 degrees up here at the top of the mountain. And there's like a slight breeze. Super sunny, and it's not too windy, so that's awesome. We're gonna go head up to Mount Craig. That's the next spot. So we're hiking down this trail to Mount Craig. We're already pretty close to it. There is so many freaking stairs on this trail, and we've been walking down them from the parking lot. So now on the way back, we have to walk up. Another interesting thing about this trail is look at all of these dead trees and blowdowns from all of the wind that's up here. You have so many trees that are just blown down. I think winds in some storms can get up to 150 miles an hour, gusts maybe more. And I guess these trees, when they die, they get weak and then the wind just blows them over. And you can see there's so many of them. We're scrambling up these rocks. Let's see if we get anything out from here. A little bit. That's where we came from. That's where we came from. That's Mount Mitchell. We got a little bit of a ways. We're gonna get to Craig. The spring gnats are out here, but they're a little less hostile today. Yeah, there's a lot of flies. There's a lot of flies up here. But like all the bugs aren't really bothering me today, unlike the last 2 times I've been out. Whoa! All right, it's a nice little outcropping. Beautiful, really beautiful actually. This is looking south. So right over on the other side of this ridge line right here is where Asheville is and everything. You can see that's Mount Mitchell, and that's, I don't remember the name of that mountain, but it's private property. You can't even go up there. The Craggy Mountains are out there. If the visibility was good, you'd be able to see the Smokies like way, way out there. Clingman's Dome and all that. But the pollen has made it really foggy, or I guess, I don't know what to call it, misty? Hazy, that's the word, hazy. This is a clearer viewpoint of Mitchell over there. Just freaking beautiful out here. What do you think, bro?
Beautiful out here. I was cold when I was going through the trees to get here, so I took off my hoodie. And then actually when you're in the sun, it feels pretty good. So yeah. It's a nice light breeze today. But you got Mount Mitchell. It's beautiful.
So on this part of the trail, they leave these boards, logs, I guess you could say, on the trail to keep people from walking off the trail, because apparently there's like sensitive vegetation that's really rare or something. They don't want people walking on it, so try to keep you on the trail when you're up here. We did it, boys. Mount Craig. Woo! Altitude 6,663 feet. Named for Lockie Craig, 1860 to 1924, who as governor of North Carolina in 1913 to 17 was largely responsible for the establishment of the Mount Mitchell State Park. Ooh, super beautiful up here. We are hiking back to the parking lot at Mount Mitchell, and then we're gonna head into Black Mountain, the town, and we're gonna go check that town out. I've never been to it. Visit Asheville. The website says it's the most beautiful town in America, small town in America, something like that. That's a big claim, so we'll see. Woo! We made it to Black Mountain and we have no itinerary. We know we want food, maybe coffee, and there's a bunch of stores and stuff, so we're gonna go check it out. The pizza and ale house too. Foothills Grange, whatever that is.
They gonna have a rough time.
Yeah. All right, so we're here. I got a burger. It's not here yet. I got a beer. I don't drink normally, but this is kind of one of those places that you kind of have to get one. So I got one. My mom's got a giant hot dog. Boom, we got some mocha Oreo. Gosh dang it. Hold on, guys.
No, who did that?
Oh, we got German beer. Well, Shania got German beer.
I got a lot of it.
And we're carrying it. And it's about to come through. It's about to go through the... I'm trying to vlog. Try.
They're
You're
watching
lifting
us.
it up. Turn it. Stop pulling it up. Hold on. I got it. I'm going to carry it like this. This is the Einger Broswini. Broswizzy. Then we have the Weihenstephaner. And then we have Meisels Wessie. I don't know. So we're sitting out here. We might be going in here. This Black Mountain Brewing Company. I don't know. It's up to the crew. I don't really know.
Y'all want to hit up this brewing company? No. Oh, okay.
Well, I guess we're not going in there. All right, guys. So after walking around for approximately like 10 minutes, everything is closed in the small town of Black Mountain. But we had a good time with the things that we did do. If you guys enjoyed this little video, then I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and do all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace out.
Live cosmic.
What is it?
Live cosmic.
Go.
Alright guys, what's up? It's me, Levi Spangler. I'm back here with another adventure. Today, we're in the beautiful Black Mountains of North Carolina. As you can see, there's Mount Mitchell out there, the highest mountain east of the Mississippi River. Just look at these views. Okay.